All right, everybody. So the question still stands, is it worth buying an older European car, putting a little bit of money on it, and flipping it and hopefully making a profit? If it's a manual, you should have been perfectly fine. Unfortunately, I think we found the reason why this car was sold or abandoned or left on the side of the road. It had transmission issues. So once the transmission temperature got up to operating temperature, it would lose reverse. So you wouldn't have reverse. All the Prindle lights, or the park reverse neutral drive, would start flashing. You would lose all gears. All gears would be gone. So that is most likely why this car got left where it was left. Thankfully, here at Lake County Euros, we have two DSC transmissions kind of just laying around doing nothing, you know. This is the mechatronic unit. It is broke down. Normally it has this harness on top of it. We are actually opening this transmission to see if we can repair that transmission. This transmission no longer exists from Volkswagen. You can't call the dealership and get a transmission. It's not an option. You can get it used. If you get it used and put it in, you still have to program this mech unit to that VIN. There's a 50-50 shot that that will work. You have to have a certain programmer and a certain nerd in some country behind a laptop that's able to do their magic, or go to Volkswagen and pray that one of the techs there knows how to do this stuff. The reason it's so difficult is because these modules are actually VIN encrypted. So once you code it once, that's it, technically. You would have to virginize the module and reprogram it to this car. What we are gonna do here at Lake County Euros, because we're trying to save that $1,000 coating, we're gonna remove all the pressure sensors. We're gonna use the K1, K2 sensors out of here and probably change the speed sensors. We're gonna leave this one. We honestly don't know what this is right here. So I'm gonna leave this one alone. If anybody knows what sensor, what module, what controls this, or what this is, please let us know. It'd be great. But we're gonna be changing all the solenoids from this mech to that mech. We're gonna put new fluid in there, a new filter, do a DSG flush, do the adaptation, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this ribbon isn't broken. That goes. Oh, well, you left your glove in here. No, it's. What is that? I mean, it's like grit. It's like sand. Yeah, because that's without the.
And this one shows with the. These are the pressure controls.
Yeah. So why don't we just swap those two?
I don't know what these are though.
215 and 216. Hey, pressure control solenoid. Oh, 217, 218. So go back to here. 217
That's why
and
these show
218.
different. That's why I'm like confused. Because these show that different, and then on this one it shows that those are the pressure sensors.
And 15 and 16.
When you click on this one, so these are the pressure controls.
Oh, but that's K2. Okay, so there's K1 and K2. So these are the different gear packs. Multiplexer solenoid. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, I know these are different. All right, so right now what we're doing, this is called the mechatronic, not megatronic, mechatronic. This essentially is the automatic transmission brain that goes on the front side of the DSG transmissions. The issue we have with this vehicle is that it has a pressure sensor fault. Honestly, at Volkswagen, all my years of experience, I never really ripped these apart. It was more like, hey, it's defective, change the whole box out. So we would change whole transmissions out that had new mech units in it, program the new mechs, everything would be fine. Now we're trying to help this customer out with a more economical repair. Justin's gonna take all the solenoids out and we're gonna see which ones we can replace. As you guys saw in the diagram, this is K1, this is K2. Basically, this changes different clutch packs, different gears, have different solenoids. So if we change both of them, technically we're fixing the problem with one of them, but we don't know which one is gonna fix the problem. So let's just give it a shot.
Worth it?
Worth it!
Work? Leaving something out of.
This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one.
Nine.
And that one.
So all of them.
Except that one.
Oh.
So it
Yep.
wasn't this one.
We don't know what that is, so we didn't change that.
Oh.
But hey, it worked. It worked.
Now, as the saying goes, if you do it right and you don't f it up, it works. It just works.
Yeah, I didn't know Snap-on work with Volkswagen.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's kind of cool.
Check the ears,
Hey, fix it.
wanted to wear something.
But now it has a coolant leak, so now let's find where the
So they
coolant
can
is.
get the solenoid.
Didn't come in for that issue.
Huh?
Didn't come in for that issue.